CUPRA points out a vehicle with a Tindaya that would leave even Bruce Wayne thoroughly impressed. The Tindaya concept mare immediately brings to mind the Batmobile, and it does so for a very good reason. With the concept car, CUPRA offers a glimpse of the new design language, and it really packs a punch. Not only is there a lot of lighting here, but we've got a radiator monitor here showcasing a flame, and I think it's genuinely stylish. Take a closer look at all these intricate details. They're subtle yet striking, adding a refined and unique touch to the overall design. It's a combination of glass and painted surfaces, resulting in a seamless, elegantly refined transition overall. Here we have a bumper, which as you can see is illuminated in this area. The three prongs of the CUPRA logo are not just located here in the grille, but also in the bumper itself. And they extend from here up into the main headlight. Technically, the 4.72 meter long Tindaya is based on the Volkswagen SSP platform. That's this premium platform for the electric models. But here we have something truly special again. We've also incorporated a range extender on board here. A 1.5 liter TSI engine functioning purely as a generator ensures that you can achieve a maximum of 1,000 kilometers of electric range here. Body details that seamlessly transition into glass elements. Take a closer look at the mirror. Just see how much intricate detail is packed into this single component alone. In the wheel arches with their double wheel contours, proud 24-inch rims are turning, and they also elegantly echo the three distinctive tips of the CUPRA logo. 1 kilowatt for every day of the year, 365 kilowatts it's set to deliver with its full electric all-wheel drive. The multi-part roof with its glass elements seamlessly extends into a strikingly sharp and aerodynamic roof edge spoiler. Yes, and into a rear end entirely unmatched in the Volkswagen Group, CUPRA is confidently pushing the boundaries like never before. We've got an illuminated logo, and behind the taillights there's another animation integrated as well. The taillights, they're even skeletonized here. I can stick my finger in. Best if you take a really good detailed look at it. Let's go. Yes, fully electric. Isn't that just so cool and absolutely amazing to explore and experience? But there's more to it, because here we have opposing doors, and take a really close look at this interior space. CUPRA keeps pushing forward here, picking up exactly where it left off on the outside. Just look at these seats here, everything in glass, it's all lit up. The headrests are practically floating, and again, the details, these seat belts really catch your eye. What do they remind you of? You have to see it for yourself. If this isn't the coolest steering wheel in the automotive industry, I don't know what is. It's like a real joystick here with illuminated satellite buttons, with small glass elements here on the steering wheel. And it's really all about ensuring the driver still maintains full control here. I don't really have many electronic gadgets on board here. It's all about the driver, and to make sure you have everything in view, there's a display. We have here, positioned just below the windscreen, a complete system. I describe it as a kind of head-up display that projects all the essential driving data directly into my field of vision, right under the window. With this, I think you can really push it to the limit, and I'm curious whether something like this will eventually make it into a CUPRA's series production. The small transparent pyramid inside the center console is designed to let you choose the color profiles. By switching them, not only does the driving mode change, but also the ambient lighting and the dynamic graphic effect that's displayed within the glass pyramid. When you brought it to life with just a single push of a button, it started breathing right here. Yes, and this center console truly stretches like the slumbering or roaring dragon all the way back into the Fong's spacious interior. And even there, you can clearly see the scales. You really get something impressive to hear thanks to these speakers that are seamlessly integrated into the headrests here. 4.72 meters of pure CUPRA power. Honestly, I'm genuinely left completely speechless at this truly incredible moment. And I'm genuinely curious if we'll actually see this on the road soon, especially when exactly it's going to be released. There are a lot of elements here that we already know from CUPRA, the shark nose for example, but also plenty of other features that we'll recognize across various vehicles. I think we'll see them in the future. Honestly, I'm really amazed. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let me know how you like it and what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and let's keep the excitement going.